When I forget my wife, I did not tell Gio what I went through. When it was time for them to honor me, I didn't know that my wife has an affair with Gio. I spent 7 days in Lagos before I came. I sensed that my wife was cheating on me. I came back under improto. When I came, I discovered that they have vandalized my wife, Virginia. That is
My people, this 2022 saga not be here, my people. A lot of people, you all reserve their own saga for this 2022. They say May 2022 come outside before they start. Everywhere don't secure, oh, my people. One pastor don't come outside, say that the GO don't carry his wife, don't shop ikbekus, my people. Don't be here, oh, don't be small matter, oh, where will they settle for here, my people. This 2022, it carry a lot of weight, as I dey explain to una. So, my gorgeous people, it carry a lot of weight. Pastor cry come outside say make social media come help am say him wife wey he marry, a marriage of 15 years, say a pastor, that the GO, the church wey him for dey do pastor, say that the GO don collect him wife for him hand. My people everywhere don secure. He say make social media come help am say he don tire. Say the woman even abandon this beautiful family, run follow Daddy GO. He say na the beautiful man wey the woman marry be this one. He say the woman dey waka dugbe for outside. He dey do vaga for outside. You understand? The tribe where they be, I don't know. So the man come still let us know, say they get beautiful 4 to 5 children. Say their marriage is blessed. Say he pay the woman bride price, but he surprised say that the GO come dey shop him wife. He say before he come for Lagos go do crusade, come that the GO send a message say make he go Lagos go do crusade. Before he come back, hey, they don't taba him wife. They don't chop akpekus. He say that the GO shop akpekus, and his wife come run follow that the GO. My people, which kind of church we come dey see nowadays? Which kind of church, my people? All these people, they all they disgrace the name of church, but they accept now that they disgrace, because most of them not be real pastor, they be babalawo. Okay, my people, now the beautiful family where the woman get be this one. So now the man can use a hand, carry and come outside, come say, we the social media family, the in-laws and the well-wishers, they may come see what happen. But when the going was sweet, they no call us. So when they do marriage, they no call us, may we come eat or may we come drink. Or may we come still dance or one bear. Nothing like that. But when Gbege come start, now they can't remember us, say we be family. My people, now don't see that kind of thing before. I never hear them before. When sweetness day, they know they call. But now when palaba day, now they remember social media people say, you are my family. I beg, come help me to fall inside this matter, because the matter don't tire am. So, what we go do now? They say utomega sokoko, we go rescue the man. So now I can say, okay, make I just come outside, come let una know wetin dey happen. Say make una beg, come help this our brother. Or the man say in a man of God, but in the pass through some kind things. You understand? I mean, they always they talk and say, woman marry bad man, better pass say man marry bad woman, because the woman feel maneuver any woman wey dey bad relationship, she feel maneuver comot. But if man dey bad relationship, e dey take time, my people, before she go feel maneuver comot for inside the marriage. You understand? Sometimes e dey turn some people to RIP. You understand? They turn some men to RIP. Say they turn some women to RIP, but most especially now the man, they always dey suffer, because the woman wey he marry, that bad woman, e too big pass the man, and they suppress the man. You understand? So now they happen, and not be only woman they abusive marriage. This marriage when they talk say my husband they abuse me, no, some men still dey inside this abuse marriage as well. Not be only woman the day all this abuse marriage as well. So you understand. So now wetin dey sup na it be that one. So my people, the one wey me no understand, why be say woman go just open im eye koro go dey follow Daddy G.O dey kerewa? Na that one na me I no understand for inside this matter. Abi na something all this Daddy G.O dey use take dey kerewa these people. So you understand. Abi na something dem dey use, because I no understand though. The way some people take dey kerewa pastors take dey kerewa dem. Imagine the other day, na so one man wey dem dey call Pastor Mike still run come outside say dey kerewa im wife, say if Daddy G.O still kerewa im wife. So na that one me I no just understand who toast each other, whether na Daddy G.O or na the member G.O na he toast Daddy G.O. I no know. Other man say some people even dey wey dey talk say some even dey born for pastor. You understand. I don see a lot of people. A lot dey happen for inside this world. Imagine woman go just open eye, Daddy G.O go dey toast you, you go just say okay, no problem. Or na something I no know who toast each other before they start to dey bump for inside Daddy G.O house. Then be one become Daddy G.O na im make am. My people, I laugh in Chinese language. So now so we see the matter. Abi Daddy G.O promise am say he go pursue mommy G.O come make this woman Daddy G.O, because this woman say anytime when she take dey talk, when they talk about Daddy G.O behavior for the ministry, his wife no dey always dey support. You no know wetin dey always dey go on. You understand. He surprise say his wife no dey support. The way the wife take dey talk for the matter, it go be like say no be him dey talk. You understand. He say but he no dey always dey understand wetin dey there. You no know say there is something going on between his wife and his pastor. Imagine person wey employ you go just dey shop your wife, go dey send you message like errand boy, make you dey waka kurukere for am, you go dey travel. But whether the rumor, because me I still dey call am rumor, whether na true I no know, but na him dey inside the relationship, na him know exactly wetin dey talk about. Okay, my people, I will leave una make una watch the full video. Please, if you are just watching for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Please, after watching, subscribe and on your notification bell so that anytime I do upload, you'll be the first to be notified that I just uploaded a new video. By doing so, God bless you. To my new subscriber, you are highly welcome. And to my returnees, may God bless you. So I will see you now for another video when you go to take. I remain una humble sister, AB World Entertainment. Bye for now. Cheers.
When I forget my wife, I did not tell G.O what I went through. When it was time for them to honor me, I didn't know that my wife has an affair with G.O. I spent 7 days in Lagos before I came. I sensed that my wife was cheating on me. I came back under her own protocol. When I came, I discovered that they have vandalized my wife, Virginia. That is when I begin to suspect her. This is my phone. The line is my own. The suspicion every week. 225, I used to subscribe my wife. I started the church. My wife was not tagged. My wife did not comment. She did not share the status. She did not do anything. She was... Viewers, you can see this is my family. This is the daughter of Jezebel, the Delilah, the serpent that was under my roof for 15 years, who was able to convince my family and her family that I'm not mentally stable. I resigned from the ministry. She was able to convince the G.O I served for 8 years not to honor me honorably. This is the family that this woman abandoned to follow a cab driver. Cab driver. Look at the Jezebel. These are my families. Look at the family this woman abandoned. This is how we were starting life. The process we were going through. This is the family she abandoned. Family she abandoned. 2007, I paid her bride price. This is the marriage video, marriage frame. Marriage frame, 2007. Look at the family she abandoned. This is the family she abandoned. 2007, I paid bride price. Look at. Jezebel, serpent. Anytime I want to talk, she will create impression. The thing has started again. My family will not believe me. Our family will not believe me. I don't know how to strike. Look at the woman. Look at the family she abandoned. Look at her when I newly forgive her. In 2011, we went to Winners. It was Winners Church. This is when I forgave her. I reconciled with my family in 2011. After this thing happened in 2011, I reconciled with her 2013. I knew that she was not faithful. Because of destroying my father's altar, I refused to go and do traditional things. Look at the Jezebel. Look at the family she abandoned and absconded with my money and my children. Look at the family she abandoned, absconded with my money and my children. So she convinced my sister, my mother, my brother's home and abroad that I'm not mentally stable. She convinced her family. I'm crying out on social media. Let all bloggers come and interview me. Let all spiritual leaders, church leaders come and interview me. Let all television stations come and interview me. I'm going to avail myself to prove that better for worse is not biblical. Look at the asshole man she was cheating upon. This is me. This is me. Oh, I'm going to video myself when I'm driving. I'm taking you. Look at the house. She scattered. She packed everything. All I have acquired in 15 years. She packed everything. Refrigerator, pot, everything. Look at the pot I used 17 years ago when I was a bachelor. All these pots are linking. This is the only thing this woman left for me. It was this thing I used to cook Indomie to eat day for yesterday. She packed everything. These 4 pots is what I used 18 years ago when I was a bachelor. They are all linking. Let me pour water so that you people will see. I served in a church for 8 years. I said the politics they play against me, I cannot continue. On my wife, if you believe in me, I want to resign. Look at the pot is linking. You can see it. You can see it. My wife went to the church. When I forget my wife, I did not tell Gio what I went through. When it was time for them to honor me, I didn't know that my wife has an affair with Gio. I spent 7 days in Lagos before I came. I sensed that my wife was cheating on me. I came back under her improto. When I came, I discovered that they have vandalized my wife, Virginia. That is when I begin to suspect her. This is my phone. The line is my own. The subscription every week, 225. I used to subscribe my wife. I started the church. My wife was not tagged. My wife did not comment. She did not share the status. She did not do anything. She was still doing follow-up with the Geo, commenting on their own. So she said, I don't have a ministry. That was why I told the banner. This is a church I started since on the 19th. I conditioned her. If you don't believe in me, go and let me start a new life. She did not go, and she said, I will never become what God said I will be. Now that she has entered the ministry here in Efeyi, I have removed the banner. I have backslided. And the Geo, my wife messaged Geo on the 1st of December that she would rather divorce me to remain with him. And at the end of the day, until on the 4th, that my wife packed out. The Geo that used to call me his son, he did not call me. He did not intervene. And unknown to the Geo that I've already grabbed my phone that was in the possession of my wife. As I'm talking to you, the Geo is not able to explain. If truly I'm your son, and the wife of your son said he wants to pack, and you could not call your son, you could not call the wife, and now the wife has packed, how can you now prove to me you were not among those that was having sex with my wife? Bloggers come and ask me questions. I have a lot of answer to answer.